Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to fix the Apex Legends No Servers Found error, the one that stops you from even getting into the game. Let's get it fixed fast. First, go to your Windows search bar and type View Network Connections. Open it, find your active network adapter, double-click it, then click Properties. Now select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Then, under it, choose Use the following DNS server addresses and enter 8.8.8.8, 8.8.4.4. Click OK to save. Next, open Search again and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and run it as administrator. Now type this command: ipconfig/flushdns. Press Enter. Then type netsh winsock reset. Press Enter again. Once that's done, simply restart your PC, launch Apex Legends, and the No Servers Found error should be gone. If this helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.